In this remarkable true story, it is 1938 when the affluent Jewish family, the Kolbers, flee Vienna for Shanghai after its annexation by Nazis. Mother Eva and her daughter travel by railroad, while her husband Josef travels by ocean liner with their sons and valuables. Similarly, in China, the powerful Gan Chen family seeks refuge from Japanese invaders, also in Shanghai. While each family adjusts to their new lives, their children, violinist Walter Kolber and gifted pianist Chao Chen, meet in the Shanghai Music Conservatory. When their forbidden interracial romance blossoms, Chao Chen becomes pregnant. Without familial blessings, the lovers marry and head to a refugee camp in Austria with their newborn. As Chao Chen struggles with the language barriers, and Walter turns out to be very different from what he seems, turmoil and tragedy abound. Now, only time will tell if they can survive their troubles to start fresh in the United States. Available online at Amazon.com and ArchwayPublishing.com.